Morning, guys. Hope you can see me okay here in the light in the van. I got lights on, but it's a gloomy morning here in Northern Ireland. Today, what I'm going to do is the shower cubicle. I'm going to actually put a proper light in there, 12-volt light. I got a light in there, it's a wee oval shape with a switch, toggle switch off and on. So we're going to run the leads from the back of the van, from the fuse box. I'm going to run 3 leads. I'm going to put a swing around here, bathroom, right, and then I'm going to run a lead to here. I want to put a light right here somewhere. I want to get some light. So I'm going to run a lead to the bathroom, and a lead here above the bed. The bed's not made up, we got it all in. Clean the van up, so excuse me for no blankets or sheets in the bed. It's not like that, it's getting all cleaned out after the trip. So we're going to put 2 leads. Pull lead 3 here, and 2 lights here, light in here, and possibly a light later on here. So that's what we're going to watch today. So today we're going to watch me snaking the wire through. It's actually pretty easy. Pull through, go up behind the boxes. This kind of moves a bit. We can jiggle it through here and pull into this one. I'm going to drill a hole to the back of this cupboard here, right in the corner here, down the bottom. Put the light in here on the inside, if you know what I mean. So the wire will go from this side so we can't see it through. So seems pretty straightforward, but we'll see how it goes. You know how stuff goes, right? So in my little spot on the side of a curb, so I call myself Curbside Motors, and we'll get to work. Alright guys, so I'll bring you along with me, do step by step. I won't bore you with the whole big plot of watch me spend hours trying to snake a wire through. You know what I mean? I'll let you see 2 seconds of it, we snake the wire through. Alright, here we go. Hey guys, hope you can see. This will all be coming together. Anyway, the wires will come down through here. Pull the snake wire through. Gonna hook it up and then pull through. Right? Goes all the way up behind here. It'll come out into this cupboard here. Alright. Let's get it done. So what I want to do here is find the length we need. This is going to be the longest wire to these 2. One to the bathroom, this one to the bathroom, and one to the cupboards below the front table. Right, there's 2 wires the same length. Got this wire on eBay. It's 100 meters. It's 0.5 thin wall, 16 0.2 black. It's more it's 100 meters of black twin flat. It's a strand wire. You want a strand wire so it doesn't break. Like the household wire, it's a single. It'll snap. It's a strand. Double. You get a red and a black. That's what you need. You get 24 volt. 12 volt. Alright guys, just taping this up. Alright guys, wires up there, they'll feed in the wee piece in there, oh, you can see it. Can you see the light? Yeah. These wires, they feed into here. And up, they'll go through here, into this cover here so you can't see them. The cover here took off. The wires will go up and behind here. There's the wires there. They'll go into the box. We'll go in there later. Fuse panel. That's where these wires will go. Always make sure you've more than enough. Because I've done jobs where I've measured out, thought it was perfect, and pulled it all the way through. And by the time they got to go where I want to go with the wire, it was too short. So make sure you have enough wire. Right guys, there's the cables all run up through, up here, all the way down the back of that. So I've got a wire sitting here. This wire here is for the this light here, another wire for a light come down here. Then I got two wires running all the way back on over the toilet and to the other side. Today guys, I got the wiring complete. Only thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to wire in the light for the bathroom, because I haven't got the reading lights for the two reading lights for the bedroom. Okay guys, just the wee light, LED light installed there. Right guys, hope you can see. Nightmare. Oh! Grind in without dropping anything, because if you can see me guys under here, don't believe me, there's not much room. Ugh. Fuck. Look at these. See if I get comfortable there. Well guys, hope you can see me here, and the light's not that great. Well, I finished all the wiring. The wiring's done for the ready for the lights to come in. So all I gotta do is screw lights in place and wire them up. The wiring's all run. I've got the bathroom done and here done. I run a strip light. This is actually kind of right, I think. Have a look. Tell me what you think. Switch here. So I'll get plenty of light for the table here for eating, that kind of stuff. So it looks okay there. And then bathroom. Distance. That's the right look, guys. So that's that part finished. Just gotta wait now for the solar panel to come in and the remainder of the lights over the bed, and we'll get that installed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Later. Morning guys. So we got the solar panel in. I have to set offset a bit this way. Doesn't catch the legs on the other one. What I do is I set up in place first without screw it down. Alright. This way. 140 watt, 150 watt. I had to go to 140 because it was a little narrower, if you know what I mean, this way. It's like 450 wide. This thing here is the 150 watt one is 660 wide. And I couldn't put it across the van because of the awning. It would stick out the other side like shit. So put it here. Alright, let's get it done then. Okay. I'm going to put a screw in each side. Let's try this. This is marked. And then you're just going to give it like a bit of a key it down a bit like sandpaper, not right down to the metal, just a light rub. Right, let's get it started. Alright guys, just key these down here, here. Now we're going to stick up the panel. What I want to do is I want the cable going from this side, the long side, this way, and it'll wrap her up. I don't want to cut it, all that stuff. Well, I don't want to, but may have to. We'll see. Alright. Alright guys, let's go, before we go a bit any further, let me show you. This is the existing one, the new one, right? These are the cables. Before we go any further, let's test it, make sure she works. Right. Let's see what we get here. The sun, let's see. .9. That's pretty good for. That's pretty good for not much sun. So we know she's working. Alright guys, this one cut. Throw it back together. Okay. So guys, just put a couple of ties in here just to finish it off. Looks neat. So guys, put a tie in here just to finish it off so it looks neat. You know. Alright guys, this is the solar panel done. Here, wires through, hookup right there. That's a double hookup. And back and down in the